Hi everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and this is my friend.
Hi, my name is Eastyn.
This is Eastyn, and she is going to help me plant our royal orange hanging basket today. So to start, Eastyn helped water the basket, so that's already done. And I'm gonna throw some fertilizer in, just a sprinkle on top. What was the other job that you did to help us?
I stamped it.
Yeah, so let's give it a stamp. Do you wanna do that for us?
Sure.
Good push, perfect. So now we can see where the plants need to go. So I'll make the hole for the middle one. And Eastyn's gonna plant the first plant. You've got your plant? Do you wanna tell everyone what it is?
It's a Lobelia.
Yep, it's a Lobelia. Go ahead and put it in. What does the Lobelia do?
When it grows, it's all fluffy.
Yeah, it grows super fluffy and it makes little white flowers all over the pot. The next plants that go in here, we have 2 geraniums. Do you want to hold the tag for me?
Sure.
So show them the color. This is an orange geranium and it's our royal orange basket. So we're gonna plant one on this side and one on this side. Would you like to plant it?
Sure.
Okay. You plant one and I'll plant one.
Wait, where did I put
We're
it
just
in?
gonna kind of stuff it in so it's nice and level. Give it a good push. That's perfect. High five. Okay, so we have more plants to add. That was the geranium. I'll just stick the tag in the front. Now we have 2 Calibrachoa. You're gonna hold that. These are called Eyeconic Apricot. Hold it closer so you can see. Can you guys see that? It's a light orange with a darker orange eye. And same thing, we're going to plant one on one side and one on the other. And what this does is makes the basket really even. I'll put the tag in for you. You can put yours in. I just made a hole right there. Nice and level. And I'll put mine on this side. So the last little plant we have, it's really, really short right now, but these are called Lamium Silver Frost. And this is gonna trail quite long and get quite big. We do have to pinch these several times over the next month so they get really well spread out, but they'll grow about 4 or 5 feet long easily. So we'll put one here and one on this side. Go ahead, I'll put mine in there. So this is our royal orange basket. Thanks for your help today, Eastyn.
Yep.
High five. That was awesome. You did it. That was so good.